Ever feel like your money is playing hide and seek? You know you got paid, but where did it all go? It's a frustrating feeling, right? Like you're constantly chasing your own tail, trying to figure out where your hard-earned cash vanished to. We've all been there. That's why budgeting apps have become so popular. They promise to bring clarity to the chaos, to help us understand our spending habits and take control of our finances. And one app that's been in the spotlight for a while now is PocketGuard. But the question I keep seeing pop up, the question we're tackling today, is PocketGuard still free? Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why this question is so important. Cost is a huge factor when choosing a budgeting app. Nobody wants to pay for something they can get for free, especially when there are so many options out there. And let's be honest, if you're trying to get a handle on your finances, shelling out more money for a budgeting tool might seem counterintuitive. So, the free aspect of PocketGuard has always been a major selling point. But things change, companies evolve, and pricing models shift. That's why it's crucial to stay updated and make sure the app still aligns with your needs and, of course, your budget. PocketGuard, at its core, is designed to simplify budgeting. It connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts, pulling all your financial information into one place. This gives you a bird's-eye view of your financial landscape, allowing you to see where your money is going and what you have left to work with. One of its most popular features is the In My Pocket calculation. This tells you exactly how much money you can safely spend without jeopardizing your bills and savings goals. It's a fantastic feature for preventing overspending and staying on track. PocketGuard also offers features like debt payoff plans, goal setting, and spending breakdowns, all aimed at empowering you to take control of your financial life. But here's the burning question, is all of this still accessible for free? The short answer is yes, PocketGuard does still offer a free version. However, like many apps, they also have a premium version, often referred to as PocketGuard Plus. This premium version unlocks additional features and removes some of the limitations of the free version. Think of it as a freemium model. You get a taste of the core functionality for free, but if you want the full experience, you'll need to subscribe. So, what are the differences between the free and paid versions? Well, the free version of PocketGuard offers a good starting point. You can connect a limited number of accounts, track your spending, use the In My Pocket feature, and set basic financial goals. However, the free version does have some limitations. For example, you might have restrictions on the number of budgets you can create or the types of reports you can generate. You might also encounter ads within the app. PocketGuard Plus, on the other hand, removes these limitations. You typically get unlimited account connections, more advanced budgeting tools, detailed financial reports, and no ads. Plus versions often offer features like bill negotiation, where they help you find lower prices on your recurring bills, and more in-depth insights into your spending patterns. Essentially, PocketGuard Plus provides a more comprehensive and powerful financial management experience. Now, whether or not PocketGuard Plus is worth the cost is entirely up to you. It depends on your individual needs and how serious you are about managing your finances. If you're just starting out and want a basic budgeting tool, the free version might be sufficient. But if you're looking for more advanced features and want to take your financial management to the next level, PocketGuard Plus might be a worthwhile investment. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try the free version of PocketGuard for yourself. See if it meets your needs and if you find it helpful. If you find yourself hitting the limitations of the free version and think the extra features of PocketGuard Plus would make a difference, then you can consider upgrading. But don't feel pressured to pay for something you don't need. The free version of PocketGuard is still a valuable tool for anyone looking to get a better handle on their finances. With said, thanks for watching and until next time.